Hello guys, welcome to my channel Keyguide Technologies. I have brought you with the new product, the HIKVISION DVR security system. I brought it from the Amazon. The link is in the description. So let's not waste the time and start the unpacking. तर चला सुरू करूया. This is SMPS, Switch Mode Power Supply. As the name indicates, it's a power supply. This is used in order to supply the power to the cameras. So as this is a 4 channel, it will support up to 4 cameras. All the wires from the cameras, all the positive wires will group together and go into the red socket, and all the negative wires, the neutral, will group together and go in the negative socket. This is all about the switch mode power supply we get in this package. Along with this, we get 2 cameras, one indoor and one outdoor. This is an indoor HIKVISION camera. This is 1 megapixel camera. It is specified in the specifications that it is waterproof. It has 2 cables, one for DC supply and the another the video out cable. The another camera we get is the indoor camera, which is a dome camera. It is not a waterproof camera. This is also 1 megapixel camera. All the boxes are sealed. We get some user manuals in it, some fitting, and it also has 2 cables, audio out and the power supply. The build quality is quite nice. Here are some cables, these video out cables and the cable to supply the power. So in order to connect the DVR and the cameras, we need a cable. So a 3+1 cable. So in this package we get a 90-meter 3+1 cable. It's quite nice. The package is quite nice. This if you are feeling short of this cable, we can buy it from the local market. It's quite cheap. Now we'll go to the main component of this, the DVR, HIKVISION DVR 4 channel. So finally we are at this point. So let's open it. So we get a white matte finish box with the logo HIKVISION with the 3 LEDs on the top. At the back, 4 audio, VGA, HDMI, video, Ethernet, USB, and power supply. Quite nice build quality. In the package, we get power supply, one cheap quality mouse, and I think so it's quite nice. And the third is the wires. Okay, all of it. Thank you.